Welcome back to the wild. It's Cypress. Today we're outside. That's because we're looking at something that's designed for outdoor use primarily. So this really fun item is the Garden Genie Gloves with claws. There are claws on all 4 of the fingers, not on the thumbs. Why does this smell like sushi? Like I'm totally craving sushi now. It's almost like if sushi were gross like ketchup. Sushi ketchup. Why? These come in different colors, including green and purple. I thought the brown would show the dirt less. These are primarily for getting into the soil. Amazon suggested these to me, thinking I might like them, and I had to agree. Looking at the reviews are really positive for this product. Now you can get these as one glove and one with claws, or you can get them with 2 gloves. I got them with 2 gloves because symmetry is important. And good grief, if I'm digging in the soil, I want to get into it. I'm already finding a difficulty with this, and that is getting the wrists all the way down, but I think that's just a learning curve thing. Range of motion is pretty good. I could see where I might get really sore after a while right here where the plastic hits against the flesh, but it would take a while to do that. I also have limited mobility in my very last knuckle, but that is completely made up for by the fact that I've now got claws. But these are designed for digging in flower beds specifically, and I think that's a really cool idea. One of the things that attracted me to this, other than the fact that it would be fabulous for costumes, this would be a fantastic addition to a bear suit or a Sasquatch costume. But one of the things that really attracted me to this is coming from a mindfulness perspective. For those of us who like to use gardening as a meditation tool or as a way to connect with the earth, how cool is it to be able to cast aside the traditional implements and get in there almost as if you're getting in there just with your fingers. I like the idea of being able to get into the dirt, the flower bed, as if I were a badger, just getting in there. And so I guess we're gonna have to try these out. Oh dear. Oh, little ants. Okay. So, little ants I have disturbed. Hope it was worth it. This doesn't work on super crusty soil. You gotta break it up first. I'm not surprised by that. This is for getting in and planting bulbs and doing little work. So I'm not mad at it. Ants! But you definitely need soil that's already regularly worked or started. I'm down here at the foot of this maple tree. This is an area that doesn't have any plantings, but really ought to. Oh, actually, this soil that I've never touched before is giving way a lot better than the crusted mulch did. Now I need to be careful. There are little bits of poison ivy here and there that I need to avoid. Okay, you've got to come here and see this. I am finding that putting these gloves on correctly is getting easier every time. It really is just a learning curve. Just learning how to use not your fingers. This is extremely satisfying. Like I said before, you really don't want to use these to start the soil if it's been sitting and sort of congealing and cementing, but these are amazing for moving leaves around, probably amazing for moving new mulch or recent mulch. But if you've got soil that's already worked, holy cow. These would make putting bulbs in the ground super easy and fun. And I'm sorry I don't have any to show you, but so I haven't been using them very long, just a few minutes. They're very comfortable, and I find there's not really a learning curve. It's very natural to just into the soil with your fingers. What I primarily got these for was cleaning out the undercarriage of the lawnmower. I don't like going in there with a screwdriver. It's metal, it's harsh, it's eventually gonna just scratch up the underside, and plastic's gonna be a lot gentler. Also, I feel like being able to get in there with my fingers will be a lot more efficient. This is the reason specifically I wanted these. Yummy. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so freaking satisfying. Now, one of the reasons my lawnmower gets so grody like this is because I've got parts of my lawn that are just basically swampy, and it is impossible to mow without hitting some spots that are just plain wet. So I have to clean this out all the time. Twice per use, basically. I am never going to be happy with my own fingernails ever again. Ugh, stinks. It's a smell not unlike sewage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is not super thorough, but that's enough so that it can dry out now. I can clean it better later. I seem to have some on my face too. These are amazing for cleaning muddy, wet grass out of the undercarriage of the lawnmower. I'm ecstatic with how well these work. These are way better than using some kind of garden spade or screwdriver, and because they're plastic, they're not slowly over time really digging into that metal and leaving little dents and scuffs. I mean, the paint's already wearing off, but why do more damage to it than is absolutely necessary? So let's head back up to the porch and have some final thoughts. Alrighty, now that we've played with these, they're clearly a lot dirtier than they were, but oh my goodness, are these fun. I don't know how long these hold up, like over time, but they're not super expensive, so I feel like even if they only last half of the summer, they're totally worth it. You know, get a 2-pack, stock up, get them in a couple different colors, get one pair for the lawnmower, get another pair for the garden bed, and a third for costumes. Want to dress up any of you furries out there who want some claws that are semi-usable? Just saying, these would be kind of excellent for that. Alrighty. So, Garden Genie Gloves with Claws. 2 whopping thumbs up from me. I was gonna say they get a claw up from me, but no claw on the thumb. Alright, these are gonna make my life so much easier. So let me know what you think. Did I miss something that these would be phenomenal for? I don't know. I didn't know these existed, and thank goodness Amazon thought to suggest it to me. This is not a sponsored video, but I will include the link below so you can check these out for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for playing in the dirt with me. And don't forget, you can like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you've got gardening to do me a favor. Keep it wild. I'll see you on the next one. Wait for the cars to go by. And we're gonna wait for that car to go by. And another vehicle's going by. So many cars. I don't know what to do about that. By the time the cars stop going by, it'll be dark. Like I said. What do you think? No? Oh, you're offended. You come scratch with me? No? No? Oh, she's pissed. I think she's offended. I think Jezebel thinks that this is cultural appropriation. Sorry, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be offensive. Did these offend you? I didn't mean it like that. They're for gardening. I was just being silly.